two-letter logo. So let's start. Font name is our Cinzel Bold. You can download it from Chrome. Uh, uh, you can download it from Chrome. And now let's start. You can find all the family in on Cinzel family. So just by tapping it, you Cinzel, you search Cinzel font family free download, and you can use to choose to download the font.com or any other website you like. So I just give the link on the description box so you can guys check out. Now let's start. So first of all, I take this create outline and now ungroup it, and now simply do the changes. So now let's start. Now what I do, it's take this direct selection tool and simply you can use this as well. Okay, it's very normal and very easy, and just you can take this and your whole font will be changed, and just double click it and delete it. Now this is our actually the font I made. This is our custom font. Okay, and if you like that, you can just use a little bit of kind of. Now take this font as well, and now just uh, okay. So this is our R3 font. Now I'm going to overlapping the. So first of all, change the color, and you can just use as R3, or you can just use that. Okay. So now we are going to take this object path, offset path, and write 4pt and click it with shift and press mouse and -1. Now this is uh, something that I don't love. So now we are going to apply on R as well. This is the R3 font. Okay. So this is the logo, a very it's very professional looking, and it just changed the whole look of your logo. And if you want something similar, then you can use as per your choice. I'm going to give it a gray look because it looks so minimal now. Now we are going to name the logo and a brand name. So exactly that I want. So take this type tool, and now we are going to write Royal 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 3 is the font name. Now we are going to just change all the look, and we are going to make this something medium or regular if you want, and change into small letter. Okay, and if so, we change into something small, and now done. And this is our bold, so we are going to extra bold it. And now just align it with horizontal align left. I think 40 is enough and 60 is enough. And this is our logo. So if you like my videos, then do share and subscribe, and follow me on Behance as well. And if you talk to me further on projects, then contact me on my Behance ID or YouTube comment section, or you can email me. You can check my bio in the description box. Thanks for